Everybody, myself Pujara from Sri Ram Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Meerut, UP. Today I will talk about breastfeeding from Department of Kumar Prithvi and in modern from pediatrics. What is breastfeeding? Breastfeeding is a feeding of an infant unit or young child with breast milk directly from female human breast, not from a baby bottle or other container. How long to breastfeed? Newborns can nurse for 5 to 10 minutes per breast every 2 to 3 hours. This comes to about 10 to 12 feedings per day. In the beginning, there is only colostrum and there is not very much of it, so be ready to feed often but for short durations. 1 month or more. As baby gets older, his stomach will get larger. He will nurse less frequently but for a longer duration at each feeding session. For example, he may nurse 20 to 40 minutes per breast every 3 to 4 hours. By 6 months, baby may breastfeed for 20 to 40 minutes per breast 3 to 5 times per day. Types and composition of human breast milk. Colostrum, early milk. It is produced in the late stage of pregnancy till 4 days after delivery and it is rich in antibodies. Transitional milk. It is produced from day 4 to 10 day. It is lower in protein in comparison to colostrum. Mature milk. It is produced from approximately 10 days after delivery up until the termination of the breastfeeding. Preterm milk is breast milk of a mother who delivers prematurely. High quantity protein, sodium, iron and immunoglobulin. Foremilk. Milk started at the start of feed, watery, rich in protein, sugar, vitamins and minerals water and satisfied the baby's thirst. Hind milk comes later towards the end of a feed. Now, what are the benefits of breastfeeding to infants? Helps in gastrointestinal development and function. Helps in development of the immune system. Helps in congenital development of the infant. Infants who are breastfed have reduced risk of infection compared to formula-fed infants. Reduced risk of sudden death syndrome, Hodgkin's lymphoma, leukemia and type 1 diabetes. Now, benefits of breastfeeding to mothers. Enhance early maternal-infant bond. Breastfeeding could also improve birth spacing. Breastfeeding is associated with reduction of women's risk of diabetes. Breastfeed might reduce rates of ovarian cancer. And benefits to family and society: saves money, promotes family planning, decreases need for hospitalization, contributes to child survival. Preparation for successful breastfeeding. Motivate mother before birth. Select right place for the delivery. Avoid unnecessary use of drugs prior to delivery. Initiate breastfeeding as soon as after delivery. Give colostrum and avoid prelactal feeds. Help body suckle in a good position. Recommended demand feeding. Continue each feed as long as baby wants. Do not wash nipple before and after every feed. Caution mother in advance about engorgement. Now, attachment of baby on mother's breast. There are 4 good attachments are: baby's mouth wide open, lower lip turned outwards, baby's chin mother's breast, majority of areola inside baby's mouth. As we can see in this picture, figure A, a baby well attached to his mother's breast, and figure B, a baby poorly attached to his mother's breast. Now, what are the positions of breastfeeding? First, cradle hold. This is the most common position used by mothers. Infant's head is supported in the elbow. The back and buttock is supported by the arm and lifted to the breast. Second, football hold position. The infant is placed under the arm like holding a football. Baby body is supported with the forearm and the head is supported with the hand. Good position after operative procedure and also helpful in twins baby. Third one, sideline position. The mother lies on her side propping up her hand and shoulder with blows. The infant is also lying down facing the mother. Good position after cesarean section allows the new mother some rest. 4. Cross cradle hold position. Mother holds the baby crosswise in the crook of the arm opposite the breast the infant is to be fed. The body's trunk and head are supported with the forearm and palm. The other hand is placed beneath the breast in a U shape to guide the baby's mouth to your breast. Now burping after feeding. Burping is very important for 10 to 15 minutes. Continue even after the baby burps. Various positions as we can see in this picture. Sign of effective breastfeeding. Frequent feedings 8 to 12 times daily. Infant should have about 6 to 8 wet diapers in a 24 hours period once breastfeeding is established. Infant should have minimum of 3 to 4 bowel movements every 24 hours. Stool should be soft and yellow after day 3. Average daily weight gain of 15 to 30 gram and infant has regained birth weight by 10th day of life. Barriers to breastfeeding. Individual. Indicate knowledge, embarrassment, social negative perceptions. Interpersonal. Lack of support from partner and family. Perceived threat to father-child bond. Institutional. Return to work or school. Lack of workplace facilities. Unsupportive health care environments. Community. Discomfort about nursing in place. Contraindication of breastfeeding. Infants, galactosemia, phenylketonuria. Mothers infected with HIV. Mothers taking any of the following medications: radioactive isotopes, cancer therapy, any illegal drugs. Breastfeeding mothers should avoid alcohol. Thank you. Hope you will like my videos. Thank you.